N equal to 60, and therefore capital N into K by 10. Decile is there, so divide by 10. So 60 into 8 by 10 equal to 10 and 10 will be cancelled. So 8 6 are 48. So therefore D8 is the value of x. The value of x just for which CF is just greater than 48. So in this column, let us see which value is coming after 48. It is 50. Yes. So and the value is of x is 20. So D8 is again 20. Okay. Then we will find out 90th percentile. So to find out 90th percentile, that means for P90. For P90 we have K equal to 90, capital N equal to 60. This implies that capital N into K by 100. Here percentile is there, so we are dividing this by 100. So 60 into 90 divided by 100. So 100 will be cancelled this. So 9 6 is what? 54. Okay. Therefore P90 is nothing but the value of x for which CF is just greater than 54. And in this column of CF you can see after 54 it is appearing 56, and corresponding of value of x is 25. So the answer of P90 is 25. So are you clear with this? How we have obtained quartiles, deciles and percentiles for simple frequency distribution. Okay? So you must have observed that all of these have the similar concept as that of median. So here the concept of median is also revised indirectly. So you must have observed. So if you know median, then you will come to know how to find out all these things. And if you know to find out this one, then you can find out median also very easily by using the same concept, because median is nothing but Q2 or D5 or P50. Now let us see the same thing for group frequency distribution. Now for group frequency distribution, all of you are knowing for median we were using the formula capital N plus H upon F into bracket N by 2 minus capital F. We were using this formula. That means here again we are required to find out cumulative frequency column, and we find out capital N by 2, and from capital N by 2 we were finding the value of capital F just greater than capital N by 2. So after finding capital F, we are finding model class. We were finding model class. That means the class corresponding to this frequency. We were finding So just after capital N by 2, this is the frequency just after capital N by 2, and capital F was the frequency preceding to the CF which we were finding. Okay, and L was the lower limit of the corresponding model class, H was the length of the model class, and F was the corresponding frequency. So similar concept here, exactly the same concept we will use for quartiles, deciles and percentiles. So here the formulas whichever we want to write are for QK we have L plus L means lower limit, similar of this H upon F into bracket N into K by 4, because here QK we are finding. So Q2 is there. Q2 means median. then k equal to 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So n by 2. So exactly same formula we can get. For decay we were using capital L plus H upon F into bracket n into k by 10 minus capital L. And for pk we were using capital L plus H upon F n into k by 100 minus capital F. So these are the three formulas based on qk, dk and pk, and all these are very simple to remember because you have already studied about median. So if you have got practice of median, then you can find out all these things very easily. And in the reverse words, we can say that if you will come to know how to find out all these things, then you can find out median also very easily. So the median concept is already coming into this. So let us see one example. Find lower and upper quartiles, fourth decile and 60th percentile for the table. Here weight is given in the row into kilograms and number of boys. So the ranges are from 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. So these are the ranges given into weights, and the number of boys who are coming into this range are 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2 and 2. So as we were doing in median, here again at the very first stage you find out draw the table in the solution showing class intervals small f and cf. So classes are 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and 40 to 45, and the corresponding values of frequencies are 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2 and 2. So in median, if it is given simple frequency distribution or group frequency distribution, you always require to construct the table of this kind showing cumulative frequency of less than or equal to 5. So it is 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 15 is 26, 26 plus 10 is 36, 36 plus 5 is 41, 41 plus 4 is 45, 45 plus 2 is 47, and this is 49. So you can see that you can see here that capital N equal to, therefore capital N equal to 49, total number of boys. Now we want to find out what is the question, to find out lower and upper quartiles. Okay, lower and upper quartiles, that means we want to find out Q1 and Q3. So first case we will find out Q1. So for Q1 what will be we have? Here k equal to 1 and capital N equal to 49. Okay, so our n into k by 4, n into k by 4 is 49 into 1 by 4. So if we divide this by 4, then 49 by 4 is 12.25. Okay, then we were finding cumulative frequency just greater than 12.25. Therefore cumulative frequency just greater than 12.25 is, what is this? Here in this table, after 12.25 it is appearing 26, and therefore corresponding class is 26, so corresponding class is 15 to 20. So now we have all possible values are over here, and these values are, what do we want to find? First we write down this formula, qk equal to, that means here capital L equal to lower limit, that means 15, h is the length of this interval, 15, 20 minus 15 is 5, small f is the corresponding frequency 15, capital N into k by 4 already we have obtained over here, okay, and capital F is the CF just preceding 26, that means it is 11, and therefore we have Q1 equal to capital L plus H upon F into capital N into 1 by 4 minus capital F. So this is capital L is 15 plus H is 5, small f is 15, divide into bracket capital N into 1 by 4, this is already we have obtained 12.25 minus capital F we have determined as 11, and you can calculate this value very easily, and it will be 15.41. okay, this is your answer. Next we will find out Q3. So for Q3 we have k equal to 3, n equal to 49. So capital N into k by 4 is 49 into 3 divided by 4, and this value is nothing but we have 36.75. So we will find out cumulative frequency just greater than 36.75 is after 36, so it is 41. So model class, here our model class is 25 to 30. So here our L is what? 25. From this you can see H is 5 same, small f is corresponding frequency 5, and capital F is the frequency just greater preceding 41, that means it is 36. So if you will put all these values in this formula, here you will have to put k equal to 3, so it is already obtained over here, so you will get the answer 25.75. so you can do this yourself. Then in the same question it was to find out fourth decile, that means we wanted to find in D5, we wanted to find out D5 fourth decile, D4. So here k equal to 4, n is 49, and here capital N into k by 2 and 10 because it is decile. So 49 into 4 by 10. So this value you can find out by using your calci, and this will be 19.6. So here we will find out the cumulative frequency just greater than, everybody's are same, simply we will have to replace the values. 19.6. What is it coming after 19.6? It is 26. Okay, it is 26, and therefore our median class, the corresponding class is 15 to 20. So here you can find out that capital L equal to 15, the lower limit, H is 5, the length of the interval, small f is the corresponding frequency, this is 15, and capital F, that means the preceding CF, it is 11. So if you will put all these values over here, and here you denote instead of Q1 D4, so n into small 4 divided by 10, and if you put all these values over here, then you will get the value of D4, and it will be 17.86. Then after that it is the question to find out 90th percentile, that means we want to find out P90. So here k is 90, capital N is 49, so here capital N into k by 100 because percentile is there. So it is capital N is 90, So 90 into 49 divided by 100. If you will find out this value, then you will get this as 29.5. 29.5. So the cumulative frequency just greater than 29.5 is 29.5. Just greater than 29.5 is 36. Okay, 36. So the corresponding class is 20 to 25. 20 to 25. So here you will have capital L equal to 20, H equal to 5, small f is the corresponding frequency, that means it is 10, and capital F is the frequency preceding to 36, that means it is 26. So here we are finding P90, so denote this by P90, L plus H into F, N into 90 divided by 100. So if you will put all these values in this formula, then you will get the answer 21.7. So this is 90th percentile. So you can find out any kind type of percentile or any kind of decile or any kind of quartile by using this fact. So quartile and this have median and all these have the same concept. So you can use it and you can do practice yourself. The examples which I have shown to over you can get practice by sparing few times. Okay, and don't forget to put your attendance in the Google Sheet which is provided to you. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.